Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's project is this old John boat. So actually I bought this back before winter and I parked it here. And yeah, that's about all that's been done to it so far. So I guess today we'll see if we can get this guy to fire up here. The guy told me it's been sitting a while. He said I don't know if it runs or not, so I haven't messed with this thing yet. The only thing I did was I put a bag over the carburetor. He cut a hole in this. He said something to do with the exhaust, I guess gasket or something where it comes out at the bottom. Something to do with it's broke, so the fumes would come up and with the lid on the engine wouldn't run. So cut that to let it breathe. And that's all I know about it. It's not 1/2 horsepower Johnson. So yeah, I guess let's see if we can tear into this old girl and see if she'll run today. So here is all I did was I took a couple of these bags and covered up the carburetor. And it did, when I had it here, it did turn over before I got it. I squirted some oil down in there and let it sit. So it's been sitting all winter, but it wasn't locked up. So hopefully no water got in this guy. Let's move these bags out of the way. And yeah, I don't really didn't mess with anything else. So this guy looks relatively simple here. Got a new fuel line here, so let's see if we can get that hooked up and I guess try it out. Okay. Universal split connector. Oh, I see. So that will somehow go in there. Like that. And then you thread this guy into your fuel tank madoodad there. Okay. Makes sense. Then you don't have no hose clamps. And the one thing I didn't bring over here was a crescent wrench. Okay, so this wrench might be just a little bit overkill for this guy. But you know what? You gotta work with what you got. Yeah. Whoa. Looks like this guy should just thread on here. In theory. It is plastic though, I don't like that, but you know what? It'd be all right. There we go, just like that. Okay, so that guy goes like that. Let's see, that is kind of nice, and then that'll just quick connect on there. Come over to the boat. Here's the fitting. Came with it when I got it, but again, so we'll save these two fittings. And then this guy should just clip on here. So to mix two-stroke in a boat, one of these mixing bottles will make your life nice. I think this engine requires 50 to 1, and then you just go down the chart here, and like for 5 gallons, which is what I'm mixing, so you just fill this bottle up to that line. So we'll do that, dump that in there, and see if she'll crank up. Just shake her up a little bit and you're good. Dear goodness. That looks good. Now I mix this just a little bit rich, but not a whole lot. Just put a little extra oil in there. Let's get her primed up and make sure we don't have any leaks. Check for leaks, which basically the only thing you need to watch is just this fuel line that comes around and goes into the little pump here and right here, and see if the carburetor's leaking. And it all looks pretty good. So yeah, I guess let's go see if this thing will crank up. I would just start it right here, but I know if I do that, it won't hurt anything if it does start to run these things for, you know, 30, 45 seconds out of the water. Won't hurt nothing. But people on YouTube think it will, so let's go put this in some water. I do have a block behind the four-wheeler wheel. Just throwing that out there. Now this is gonna go one of two ways. This thing's either gonna start and work, or it's not. All right, choke. Well, that worked out a lot better than I expected. This thing runs good. Awesome. That was a lot easier than I expected, and I'm glad. So that's pretty much it. Now, on this boat, I actually bought it. I was gonna fix it and resell it, but the more I think about it, I might as well just fix it and keep it. They make a great little fishing boat. That thing's actually really stable. I was surprised. But I'm sure you guys are wondering what's in all these compartments and stuff. And this wood's about rotten, needs replaced. But I put these life jackets in here. So I did that. Let's see what all we got. Looks like we just got some rope, an old bottle of water. Well, that's pretty boring. What is this? Some kind of bait. Got some stable, some of my tools, some parts from that other boat trailer I took apart. Anchor, tripod. I'll set that in there. There's that big wrench. What have we got under this guy? I don't know which way this thing folds up. This way. Do the other side. Up here we got a little cooler. That's pretty neat. Here's the lid to the cooler. What else do we got? We got lights. I wonder if that even works. We got a fishing pole holder. I don't know what's in here. I'm kind of finding this out with you guys. I remember looking in this, but in these boxes, oh, just a first aid kit. Okay. And we just got some more, looks like just some more lights and poles and stuff. So, what is that, an extension for the drive handle looks like? Huh, that's pretty neat. Then we got a horn, I'm guessing. I bet that puppy's loud. Might have to have some fun with that. And that's all we got for here. We got an air pump. Wonder if that works. And yeah, that's pretty much all we got in there. Oh, we got a little bait box. That's nice. Then we got, that's a spot for a battery. And this thing has all kinds of wires run absolutely everywhere. So yeah, I guess that'll pretty much sum up this video. Just a little John boat that I literally bought right before winter because it was dirt cheap, or at least I thought it was dirt cheap. It was $200 or $300. I can't remember which one it was, but it was really cheap. And yeah, so if you guys want to see me redo this boat and this trailer and stuff, let me know. And yeah, you guys have a good day.